What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, back with another video. Today I'm trying to do a POV GoPro video. I found this GoPro actually in my drawer and I went and copped a head mount. So we're gonna see how this goes and how it comes out. But I was like, figure, fuck it, it's content, POV drive, M340, fuck it, people want to see it, so I'm gonna record. The only thing about this is I'm straight, I mean, I'm not tall, I'm straight 6 foot. But like for some reason I cannot get the GoPro, like it want to just like record the ceiling. It's hard to get like a good capture of like the cluster and the road and like my hand, like everything at once. So we gonna see how this comes out. The audio might be trash, hopefully not, but we gonna see. Windows down, we gonna put on, let's put on sport displays, bro. I'm gonna look like an actual fucking goofy riding around with my fucking goddamn head mount on with the windows down. But shit, it's content, bro. And I got the pimp lean too. Like I'm pimp leaned out this bitch, cause fucking it's hard to see when I'm like driving how I normally drive. So we gonna put this bitch Sport Plus and we gonna start the video. Hopefully it looks all right. We gonna make it right. Damn, hopefully this footage looks good or we straight. Did this shit for nothing, but it's just an experiment. We gonna see. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm gonna turn this the road. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on this one. Turn traction control off. I felt a little bit of spin. Open stretch. Get this up. I'll roll the windows up just a little bit in case it's absolutely just getting only wind. Damn, I straight had AC on that whole time, bro. Straight was a little bit slow. So yeah, we just cruising for now. I would get behind this fucking slow ass motherfucker, bro. It's straight like almost 7 o'clock. I thought like rush hour would be dying down and like whatever, but this motherfucker's going 37 and a 45, so. Oh, he's turning, thank God. Approaching a little speed trap. I'm gonna slow down, make sure ain't no troopers. They normally sit like right in here, but not today. I think we clear. We about to hit a good stretch of road, or a good curve, I guess. For the weight of this car straight almost 38. Damn, those windows. For the weight of this car, bro, it handles so fucking good, bro. Should have went that way, on God. You got this, bro. Turn, bro. Taillight out and shit, bro. Ultimate driver. I cannot. Fun fact, when I was fucking young and dumb as fuck, I straight almost died right here, bro. Trying to pass a car on the left, and then someone had pulled out going left right here, and I was passing and they were coming out left, and it was straight tragic. Look, you want to get some food. I also need to get an SD card reader. I'm gonna go left at this light. We'll hit a little straight stretch again. Tell you what though, bro, I love this car. Look at that BMW big body ass truck, right? That been nice as fuck. Ooh. Bro, y'all feel like, fellow Beamer drivers, this is my first BMW, but like I feel like BMW drivers is like a clique, bro. Like they straight, when you see a BMW driver, they straight are like, hi, how you doing? Good morning. Yep, the left lane, the slow lane. Fire station. Shout out firefighters, bro. Ain't nobody ever beef with no fucking firefighters, bro. Fuck 12. But firefighters, it's straight the airport right here. I don't know how the footage gonna be, but should just do a little cruise through the airport. Fuck it. Airport security, arrest me, bro. I dare you. Straight won't catch my ass. How about, I sure don't know where I'm going. I don't know how to get out of here. You just gonna drive, bro. Talking about, you better miss my flight, goddamn. Oh, this is 15. Oh shit. Sorry, officer. Mobile Regional Airport, the most shitty airport in the fucking America. Flights like $800 out this bitch to go to fucking, and it's straight no one ways. Like any flight you get out this fucking airport, bro, you gotta go to like a connecting flight far as fuck, like for no reason. Okay, Zesty. That boy Zesty. I don't judge, bro. I don't judge, bro. Don't cancel me. I don't judge, bro. Damn, and I get behind this fucking big body Tahoe. Talking about no hezzy. Oh my god. It's okay. It's a 15. I mean, I can't be mad at him. Like, oh, he get out my way, bro. I'm so happy. Uneven service. I think we straight gonna go get some food, bro. I'm feeling Chipotle, bro. Yeah. Good day. Good day. Bro, y'all heard that new little Uzi, bro? That shit hitting like a motherfucker, bro. First listen, I'm straight like, I'm feeling it, but like I'm not like feeling it. But second listen, I listened to it again. I'm like, okay, this kind of hitting. Like I hear like the werewolf, like Bring Me to the Horizon. I'm like, all right, pop punk, emo shit, like whatever. I low key not in the 7th grade no more, but like we gonna see what it's talking about. But at this point, like 10, 15 listens in, bro, I'm all in, bro. I'm like, in this time, like, bro, that shit hitting like a motherfucker, bro. And all the songs, like Pluto to Mars, bro, All Alone, Mama I'm Sorry, bro, like all them hoes hitting. Let me give y'all another pool, bro. Damn, it straight didn't down shit for me. Sport Plus, what is you doing, bro? Straight, I think Chipotle right up here. We finna go grub, and then I think I'm gonna go get a micro SD card. And quite another abrupt end to a vlog. Ended up getting food, grabbing an SD card, and then just coming home and starting on the edit. So I didn't really like close it out in the POV. But if you like what you see, if you like the concept, if you like the car, if you like me, goddamn, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. Straight, you're not gonna stop uploading videos, bruh. Stay around, subscribe. Let me get paid off this shit. The fuck, like. But all seriousness, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Another note, P.S. If you really stay to the end, goddamn. I'm sorry the footage wasn't like A1, like it wasn't the best, because I really like this GoPro, bro. I found it literally in my drawer, and I was like, bro, fuck it, I can make content. Like, I straight got a GoPro. This straight from like 10 years ago, bro. It's a Hero 5, black, whatever. It shoots 1080, 60 FPS, but like the megapixel, like the camera, straight like iPhone 11, bro. So like if you're watching on an iPhone, the footage is probably like okay, but I'm gonna up the quality, bro. Don't worry. It's straight just a test video, making content for y'all, and just stay around, because it's gonna get better. Quality is gonna get better. Straight got camera crew, straight got it all.
I done came out with 100 grand loss. Yeah, I got a 10 car garage.